y'all, it's Mandy with Aunt Mandy's Creations. So today we have another flip through, and this is the farm animal slash barn journal. So just jumping right into it. So this is going to be your cover. It's going to be just like two barn doors, and it's got the same opening you would find on some old barns. This is a two-spine, two-sided journal. Over here we've got your little charms, your little farm animals and horses and pigs and cows and chicks, tractors, horseshoes. So, let me shut this again real quick. We'll jump right into it. I'll do one side at a time. So, over here in the beginning, there are actually I have the numbers for you. So, this journal has 438 pages. That includes front and back. It's got 175 tags. It's got 76 pockets slash envelopes slash belly bands. Um, I include those all as one. And it's got 10 interactive pieces. And it's got four mini journals. This includes, there is one big mini journal. There is a mini journal, a mini notepad journal. So you'll see all of that in here. So it is a very big book, but there's also a lot of writing space in this. And we're going to have vintage pieces, music papers, plain papers, lined papers, in between all of this. So these are tags and pocket here. I'm not going to pull everything out and go through every individual piece. If there's something that you are specifically interested in, um, then send me a message and I can certainly send you pictures of what you're um, looking to see, or just if you have questions in general, just shoot me a message, comment below. Um, the description to this piece will be in my Etsy shop, and that will be linked in the description as usual. Got a lot of gingham, um, not fabric, but gingham pages in this. This is a hidden paper clip here. I consider these interactive because you can move them. So you can move this from page to page wherever you want it to be. Some more tags and pockets, a little doggy, because you got to have a dog on the farm. And then you got to have a little car there that's not moving. Some more pockets and tags. Writing space. Small ledgers. This is one of three waterfalls, I believe. This has got all the little animals. There's a lot of tags stuffed in all of these pockets and envelopes. I stuffed them as full as I could. Some have multiple pockets. This one has two pockets. Vintage music sheets. This has got two pockets. The horse and carriage is a pocket, and there's a pocket back here. An envelope with tags in there. This is the mini journal. I did not count this in the pages of the book, so these are separate. These are their own pages. This is the mini journal. You got writing pages, ledger pages. This here is a hidden paper clip on one side. There is a mini notepad, and the other side I won't untie it, but it's um, there's a mini journal. It's a mini journal inside there. And again, that's a hidden paper clip. So you can move that to uh, any side or any page that you want. This is still the mini journal. It's the middle of it. Okay, then that's the end of the mini journal, and it's in its own signature. Back to the full book. There's another. I have to move this up because there's so many animals on there. Don't have room to pull it all the way back. There's that. So as you can see, even though there's a lot of pockets and tags and such, there's plenty of room for journaling in this. There's another hidden paper clip that can be moved. It tucks on the side. Another hidden paper clip. Oh, and I clipped two pages together here too, and I meant to move that. There we go. This is a little card that I made. It's got a little John Deere tractor pulling some hay at night. There's another double pocket there. That's the page there. The sheep is so cute. And then that is the last page of that signature, those two signatures. So on the other side, we've got the other two signatures. Start this way. Some of these papers, like these ledgers and such, are actual vintage pieces. Another hidden paper clip. That I gotta go back because who doesn't love a Highland cow? Here's another, I don't know if I'm far back enough. Another waterfall. Let's get those two. There we go. Chickens. That hair, though, fantastic. This is another hidden paper clip here, just larger. Belly band. We got a car again. Cute little piggy. We got ducks on the farm, roosters on the farm. I believe there's even a cat in here because you got to have farm cats, right? And the last signature. Yes, that was only one signature. So here's the last signature. Let's see if I can get these to. Just want to make sure I don't skip any. Oop. Cute little piggy. I love piggies. This is vintage paper. Duckies. There's the old truck out on the farm. There's your farmer cowboy. Vertical belly band. Nice little scenery. It's another hidden paper clip with a horse. Llama. See, we got everything in there. I'm sure there's things that people have that we didn't put in the book, but here's another card that I made, and it's got a little ladybug on it. There's another waterfall. There we go. I don't have right here below me is a lip on my desk. So when I do waterfalls, when I pull waterfalls, usually I have to put it way up there so I can pull it down because otherwise it stops right about here where the lip is. So that's why I have so much difficulty pulling those out when I do the flip throughs because I'm right at the edge of the table. And that is it for that side. So, and then in the middle is just a cute little cow and chick. It says farmer's market. It's a metal cow and he's a little popped out. He's a little 3D. So that is the farm journal. And again, you just close it like the old barn. 1, 2, and that's all you do. Don't forget about your little animals over here on the side. Oh, sorry about that. If you have any questions or comments or anything, just again, shoot me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The link for this in my Etsy shop will be in the description. And I appreciate you guys watching all the way through. If you could share, like, subscribe, it all helps with the algorithm and gets me out there in front of more people. So if you could do any of those, I would greatly appreciate it. And until next time.